Hi everyone, thank you for joining us Yoga Nidra this evening. Sleep is one of the most underrated yet super important aspects to our health. I think we can all agree when we've slept really well, we perform a lot better throughout our day and the benefits go on and on. So Yoga Nidra is a practice that has been specifically developed to ensure really beautiful, restful, undisturbed sleep for us that we will now try out together. Before you begin, make sure that all your devices to the best of your ability are turned off, your lights are turned off or dimmed down, and that you've created an environment that is super relaxing. Go ahead and use essential oils if that's what you're into, something to really create a quiet, soft mood. And then you'll bring yourself to lie down comfortably, ideally on your bed, with or without a pillow. Make sure the temperature is just right and you'll close down your eyes. Take a moment to settle into the comforting darkness behind your eyelids, a place you visit nearly every night when you fall asleep. Allow your body to completely relax. If you've had a busy day and as a result your body or mind are feeling busy, take a moment to actively disconnect from your analytical self, your action-packed, action-filled body. You're capable of so much. You've earned this moment. Feel the comfort of the pillow behind your head. Your bed carries your whole body. Take a minute to bring all your attention to your breath. The next time you inhale, follow its path through your nostrils into the back of your throat, filling up your lungs as your belly rises. When you exhale without any force, naturally letting the breath leave your body. And again, inhale, breathe until your lungs are full. And exhale, letting go of all that has been up until this point. A few more rounds like that. Every inhale is bringing you new life, new possibility. And every exhale is releasing, relaxing as any tension that is still a residual melts away. Tapping into the wave-like, relaxing qualities of breath. Checking in with some key parts of your body. Notice if the space between your eyebrows you habitually furrow or clench your jaw. Take a moment to frown as hard as you can, clench your jaw as hard as you can, squeeze your hands into fists, curl your toes inwards or outwards till you're all clenched up, and then release everything completely so that a rush of blood flows into those areas and you allow yourself to relax completely. As you travel on this journey with me, a journey where you are safe, where your imagination takes you on a visualization. Exactly where you are safe and held. Imagine you are lying on the most beautiful beach you can think of. paying attention to the detail. The sand beneath you is exactly how you like it. Is the sand slightly cool or warm to your touch? Is it slightly golden or white and powdery? Maybe there's a cool breeze gently traveling across your skin. Maybe there's a gentle kiss of the warmth of the sun above you. Continue to breathe deeply and maybe even smile as you realize everything is as it should be. Allow yourself to melt head to toe into the comforting, reassuring beach that you're lying on. And where you are, a gentle little wave rolls in and tickles your heels and pulls away into the ocean. Another little wave comes by, travels up to your calf and pulls away. The water is just the right temperature as another wave rolls on in and travels up to your knees and gently pulls away. As you lay there in perfect comfort, you welcome the next wave that travels gently up towards your hips and pulls away. The next wave from the beautiful ocean travels up towards your shoulders where you lie on the beach and moves away gently. The final little wave travels up from your heels through your calves, back of your knees, your hips, your shoulders, all the way to your crown and gently carries you out to sea. The water is glassy, perfectly calm. You are suspended, comfortable and weightless. As you lay there, perfectly balanced, perfectly supported by the ocean beneath you, your whole body relaxes into this support. You imagine an endless, expansive horizon that stretches around you uninterrupted as far as you can look. And a beautiful, endless sky above you. What colors do you see in your sky? Maybe it is bright blue, signifying daytime. Maybe you see beautiful colors of sunrise or sunset reflecting back in the water where you lie. You marvel at the magical sky above you. You are safe in this place. As you visualize these colors of your perfect sky, your perfect day, you feel content, you feel supported. You might even imagine your bright daytime sky turning into night. The vastness of the galaxies you can see, stars twinkling back at you. As you lay here looking up at the sky, you are reminded that you in your human form are the perfect intersection of all that has been, the past, all that is tangible, and all that is yet to be, all that is divine and intangible. Where you intersect the two in the present moment, anything is possible. Rest in your fullest potential. Be inspired by all that you are capable of. As you continue to breathe deeply, you rest comfortably in this knowing. Before we part ways this evening, if there is something you'd like to set your intention towards for the rest of the day or evening, or the new day tomorrow, the rest of the week, month, year, set that intention now with clarity. You can act accordingly to bring that to life when you are awake from your sleep. Slowly begin to awaken by bringing your fingers to twinkle your toes. You don't have to move at all any further than this. If this is our chance to say goodbye, good night, then you keep your eyes closed and drift off to sleep. If you need to turn your lights off or have a drink of water before your bedtime, you do just that. Thank you very much for joining us today. Have a beautiful rest of your evening.